Welcome back at seosemcourse.online. So now we will set up the Wordpress website from Hawkhost. Firstly, you can check out my post here. All the step-by-step information I already list down. Firstly, click to open the home page. Go to Support and Client area on the top right. Okay, now go to Services, My Services. Choose the domain, choose the hosting, go to Active. Now pull down on the one click login. You can see the cPanel logo here. Click on cPanel. Okay, if you click on cPanel and cannot access, you need to check the email. The system already sent out information to get you how to access the cPanel. Now go down to the software section over there and click on the Spectacular app installer, this one. Okay, now you can see the WordPress logo here. Now click install. Firstly, the software setup section. For the protocol, you just need to choose HTTP for the domain, because I already add the domain when I buy the hosting, so it will appear here. But you didn't add it yet, you need to go back to the Manage Product section over there. Click on Add on Domain. Create add-on domain. Fill out your domain name or subdomain and press create. But for me, I already fill out the information, so no need. For the in directory, you need to leave it empty. If there are some characters appear here, you need to delete it. For the site setting, here you can enter the website information, like what is the name of the website, what is the description. But don't worry, because you always can change it later. For the admin account, this part is important. You need to choose a username, you need to choose a password. So password need to be strong, and the admin email. So later you will need to use this admin email and this password to log in into our website. So we will need to remember. And for the language, you can choose English is the default language. Otherwise, you can choose another language accordingly. Just need to pick in the list. Now for the theme, you can choose a theme right away. More to choose. If you want to see demo, click on demo to see how the website will look like. If you want that theme, you can just select and now press install. So now your WordPress is installing. You can see the progress bar on the website now. So now your software will install successfully. You can click on the URL here to start to log in into the website. So this is the dashboard, how the dashboard look like. And now you can change some information, like the theme. go to appearance, theme. Here you can use the search function to search the theme, add a new theme here, but there is a lot of free theme that you can select. For me, I want this theme and don't want to change, so I will keep it. Or if you want to change your website title, you can go to setting, general here, like site title, tagline, URL. So now you have done with settings WordPress website on Hawkhost. The next video I will show you some basic customization on the website and some needed plugin